So these are the trigonometry 7 marks questions. We can solve these by these equations using 5 steps. The steps are: step 1. So in this given functions having the a angle or 2a angle, if a or 2a angles given, use the formulas sin c plus sin d, which is equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. If it is a sin c minus sin d, use the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. If it is a cos function, cos c plus cos d, it is the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos function c minus d by 2. If it is a cos c minus cos d, so minus 2 sin function c plus d by 2 into sin function c minus d by 2. So one of the formula we are going to use when if a or 2a angle is given in the question. So if it is not given as a and 2a, they given as y functions, then following formulas we have to use. So or else if square functions given, square functions given, use the formulas. So what formulas I am going to use? Two formulas I am going to use. One formula is sin square a minus sin square b, be the formula sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So it is a one formula. So otherwise, if it is a cos square a minus sin square b form, so we can use the formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So one of the formula we are going to use when if they given as square functions. Okay, it is a step 1. Now coming to the step 2. Step 2. So in the step 2, what we are doing is the sum of that angle we are going to convert into the remaining angle. So either in this sum or in this sum. We are going to write in the remaining angle. Sum of angle writing in terms of the remaining angle. In terms of remaining angle. And we are going to use the 2 theta formula as well. Angle and use 2 theta formula. So what are the 2 theta formulas we have? Sin 2 theta with the formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. It is our formula. If it is a cos function, so we are going to use the 2 formulas. One is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or else we are going to use 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if they given a 2 angle, 2 multiple of an angle, we are going to use this. If they given a only, then the same formula sum multiple we have to use. If it is a sin theta, we can write it as a 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, because if it is a theta half angle, 2 theta becomes half angle, the same formula, but we are going to write submultiple formulas. If it is a cos function, once again you can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, or else 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So either of the formula we are going to use in a second step. Now coming to the step 3. Step 3. In the step 3 we are taking common. Step 3. taking the common value. So whatever you will get, you have to take the common in the third step. Next, step 4. Step 4. So once taken a common, you will get one angle is a single. Maybe the A, maybe the C, maybe the C by 2, whatever. So write that as a sum of the remaining. So step 4, writing single angle function in sum of the remaining. Sum of the remaining angle you have to write. So now the final step, 5th step. In the 5th step, we are going to use the formulas again. Step 5. Step 5. So in this we are going to use the formula. What are the formulas we are going to use? Means sine function of a plus b plus sine function of a minus b if it is. So what is the formula? 2 sine a cos b, it is the formula. 2 sine a cos b. Suppose if it is a sine of a plus b minus if it is minus of sine a minus b with the formula 2 cos a sine b. Suppose if it is a cos function, cos a plus b plus of cos a minus b if it is, the formula for this 2 cos a cos b is the formula. If it is a cos function a plus b minus cos function a minus b, suppose, then minus 2 sine a sine b. So these are the 5 steps you have to follow to answer the questions of 7 marks in trigonometry. So what are the first steps? Once again I am going to explain. In the first step, if the given question having a or 2a angle functions, use these formulas. Nothing but for the first 2 functions you have to apply the CD formula, whichever the form we have. If other than the a to a angle, the given is square functions in the given problem, square functions are there, then use these 2 formulas. One is a sin square a minus sin square b and another is a cos square a minus sin square b. Then coming to the step 3, we have to convert the sum of the angles in terms of the remaining. Why? Because if you apply the first, we are getting sum here. Otherwise, if it is, we are getting sum here. So these angles you have to write in terms of the remaining. So that is the step 3. And 2 theta formula also we have to use, because it is going to give 3 functions in the question. 2 functions we are applying the formulas. One more function remainder. For that function you have to apply the 2 theta formula. So what are the formulas we have? Sin 2 theta with the formula, 2 sin cos 2 theta with the formula. We are going to use these 2. So if it is a theta, 2 theta, it is okay. If it is a theta, then these are the formulas we are going to use. So the step 3 is over. Step 2 is over. Now coming to the step 3, so we have to take the common. So after taking common, next coming to the step, in writing the single angle function in sum of the remaining. So after taking common, inside bracket you will get one function in a single angle. That function you have to convert into the sum of the remaining values. Now coming to the 5th step, so we are getting one of the form of these 4. You have to write the formula. So once you write, the problem will be completed. You will get the answer for the problem. Now the first question: if ABC are angles in a triangle, then prove that the result cos A plus cos B minus cos C equals to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. So to solve this problem, these types of problems, we are following the 5-step procedure. Now only I explained that now you have to use the procedure. Now coming to the answer, solution for the problem. I am taking the LHS. What is the LHS? Cos A plus cos B minus cos C. So it is the LHS of the problem. Now initially what is the first step? if these angles are A or 2A, use the CD formulas. Now here we have cos C plus cos D formula. So what is the cos C plus cos D formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2, because C becomes A, D becomes a B. Cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and write the function this as it is. So it is the step 1. Step 1 is over. Now coming to the step 2. What is the step 2? Writing this sum angle in terms of the reminder. Writing sum in terms of the reminder. So I am going to write this formula here. Since cos C plus cos D with the formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, it is the formula. Now sum angle writing in terms of reminder. What the given is sum? Angles of triangle is said. So that you have to see. So angles of triangle, nothing but sum with the value 180 only. Now here what we required? Half of the sum. So becomes A plus B by 2, we can write half of the value 90 minus C by 2, we can. What function we required? Cos function. So take a cos on both the side. Cos A plus B by 2 equals to cos function of 90 minus C by 2. So what is the result of this? 90 becomes function changes. 90 minus comes under first quadrant with the plus sign only. Now in place of this function you have to write this one. So this equals to 2 times the sin C by 2 function. This is write as it is. Here we have to write the 2 theta formula. So this formula we have to write. We have to do two formulas for the cos function. Here whatever the function you will get, that related formula we have to write. So what is the cos theta formula in terms of the sin function? 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, because theta half of the angle you will get. So C. So minus of 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, it is the value. So it is the step 2. Step 2 is over. What is the next step? Taking a common. So before that, constant, if there is any constant, then write first constant. So minus 1 we have, I am going to write the value. Now take the common. 2 sin C by 2, 2 sin C by 2. So you get a common. 2 sin C by 2 taken as a common. If I take a common with the remaining value, cos A minus B by 2, minus of minus is a plus sign. One sin function will remain. Now the step is over. What will be the next step? In bracket, whatever single angle you get, write as a sum of the remaining. So if you have that value, then use directly. Otherwise, once again you have to calculate. Sin C by 2, already we have a value, cos A plus B by 2. Write the value in place. So this equals to minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 of cos A minus B by 2 angle plus sign of sin C by 2 value is cos function of A plus B by 2. Now step 4 is over. Coming to the step 5. Step 5, we have the 4 formulas. So you can write the formula, you can apply formula directly. Otherwise, you go to the answer. Here A by 2, B by 2 angles you have to get. What we have? A by 2, B by 2 functions, cos functions we have. So minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 of, here we have the cos functions A by 2, B by 2. In 4 formulas, anyhow we have to get the 2. Then A by 2, B by 2, see the answer, write the values. Cos A by 2, cos B by 2. So this is the value. By saying the answer also we can, otherwise directly you can use the formulas also. Now finally, this equals to minus 1 of 2 2s are 4. Write the angles in order. Cos A by 2, cos B by 2 and sin C by 2. So what is the answer you have to show? It is the RHS of the problem. So like this, you have to follow the 5-step procedure. The next problem. If a plus b plus c is the value 3 pi by 2, then prove that the result cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equals to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. The answer solution. So the previous side this problem is the same only, but here we have the 2 times of an angle. So again with the procedure same we have to follow. So I am going to write the answer to the problem, solution of the problem. So taking the LHS of the problem. What is the problem here? Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is the problem. So apply the steps. First step, CD formula. So what we have here again? Cos c plus cos b only we have now, because cos c cos function and cos function plus sign. So what is the formula? 2 cos c plus b by 2 into cos function c minus d by 2 is the formula now. But here c becomes 2a, b becomes 2b. Write the values. This equals to 2 cos function c value plus d value by 2 into cos function c value minus d value by 2. Third function write as it is cos 2c. Cos 2c. Then after, if there is any simplification in this, first simplify it, then after go to the next step. So here 2 you get a common, we can cancel that also. So write the value, this equals to 2 times cos function a plus b be the remaining value. 2 take a common, cancel the value. Similarly for this again, cos function 2 take a common, cancel the value. Place cos 2c as it is. Now step is over. Coming to the second step. What is the second step? Sum of the angle writing in terms of Riemann linear. This we have to write from the given relation. So that here given that a plus b plus c 3 pi by 2 is given. What we require here? A plus b sum. So from this a plus b what it is? 3 pi by 2 minus c angle. What function we require? Cos function. So cos function of a plus b. Take a cos on the other side also. 3 pi by 2 minus c angle. Any 90 multiple with the function changes, so that you get sin c with the value here. Next, in which quadrant we will get the 3 pi by 2? 3 pi by 2 means 270. 270 minus comes under third quadrant. Third quadrant function cos sin is minus sign. So 93 times 270. 270 minus becomes third quadrant. Third quadrant cos function is a sign minus sign. So write in place of this value. So this equals to, I am going to write the sign first. 2 times the value of this is sin c function into cos a minus b as it is. Once again we have write the 2 theta formula for this. So we have the 2 formulas. Which one you have to use? Whatever the function we have here related to that you have to use. So what is the formula we have? 1 minus 2 sin square c, because 2 theta formula we have written. So here cos 2 theta formula we are writing in terms of the sin function. What is the formula? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That is the formula we are using. Now this equals to, first take a constant out, plus 1, write as this. Next take a common. What is the common? 2 sin c is a common. Minus 2 sin c taken as a common. What is the remaining here? Cos of a minus b remaining. We taken a minus common, so that minus of minus becomes the plus sign now. One sin function taken a common, c remaining. Now write the c value again, sin c value. So already we have the sin c is a minus of. Minus taken to the other side, sin c becomes minus of cos a plus b. So write the value in place. 1 minus 2 sin c of cos function of a minus b, and sin c becomes the value minus cos of a plus b. Now step 4 is over. Final step. Whenever you are writing a final step, simply go to the answer. So here 1 minus 2 sin c we have already. Whatever the form, you get a 2 multiple as it is. A and B angle, what functions you have to get? Sin of A angle you have to get and sin of B angle you have to get. So it is the formula. Now, so finally write the result 1 minus 2 to the 4. Write the angles in order. Sin A, sin B and sin C. So what is the answer you have to show? With answer correct now. So it is the RHS of the problem. In triangle ABC, prove that cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 minus cos C by 2 equals to 4 times cos pi plus A by 4, cos pi plus B by 4, cos pi minus C by 2 with 4 by the answer you have to show. So now answer to this question. Taking the LHS, cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 minus cos C by 2, it is the LHS. Apply the first step CD formula. Again it is a CD cos C plus cos D form we have. Cos C plus cos D. What is the formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos function C minus D by 2 is the formula. So C becomes A by 2, D becomes B by 2. Apply the formula. 2 cos function C becomes A by 2, D becomes B by 2 by 2 into cos function C minus B by 2. So third function we have to write in terms of the remainder. So once again sum of the angle is a 180. So here we need C by 2 value. C by 2 becomes 90 minus of A plus B by 2 with the value. Cos function we need. Cos C by 2 becomes cos 90 becomes sin function sin of A plus B by 2 with the value. Now write in place of this minus sin function A plus B by 2 with the value. Next, this is equals to 2 times cos function. Take an LCM. A plus B by 4 with the value. 2 LCM, 2 into 2 is a 4. As it is, cos A minus B by 4 is the value. Now write the 2 theta formula. Nothing but it is a theta. What is the sin theta? We can 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 we can write it now. So by 2 more we have to take 2 times sin function theta by 2, 2 into 2 is a 4 into cos function C by 4 again. Now take the common. 2 cos function A plus B by 4 taken as a common. If you take a common with the remind cos function A minus B by 4 in this minus sin function A plus B by 4 you will get in this. Now change this function. 2 times cos function A plus B by 4 of cos function A minus B by 4 as it is. Changing this function, nothing but 90 minus we can. 90 minus A plus B by 4. So cos 90 minus become sin function. Apply the CD formula again. So here minus sign is there. What is the CD formula? Cos C minus cos D formula. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin function C minus D by 2 is the formula. Write the formula. 2 times cos function A plus D by 4 into this function result minus 2 sin function. See, minus 2 sin function C with the value A minus D by 4 plus sin D with the value pi by 2 minus of A plus B by 4 by 2 into one more sin function c minus d by 2, a minus b by 4 minus sign of 90 minus this one, a plus b by 4 by 2 as this. So one more bracket we have. It is the c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Now we have to simplify this as it is. This equals to, I am taking this out, minus 4 times 2 into 2 cos function a plus b by 4 as it is. Here I am going to simplify. Function is the sine, take an LCM. 4 is the LCM into 2. Numerator a minus b, 2 becomes 2 pi remain. 4 it is there means a plus b only the value. Take the LCM in this also. Sine function LCM in the 4, 2 already we have. So here we get a minus b minus sine by 2 becomes 2 pi now. Minus or minus sine plus a plus b as it is. Now once again you have to simplify this. So this equals to minus 4 times cos function a plus b by 4 of sine function. Here what we get, plus a minus a get cancelled. Minus, it is a minus b, 2 pi. So 2 pi minus 2b by 8. Coming to this, minus b plus b get cancelled. 2a minus 2 pi. Sine function 2a minus 2 pi by 8 is the value. Then after this equals to, here angle we have to write first. So minus take a common, pi minus a we can. So minus 4 cos function a plus b by 4 sine function, 2 take a common, cancelling the value with the remain, pi minus b by 4 is the value remain. Here sine function minus taken as a common, pi first, a with the negative will get, 2 also taken common. So pi minus a remain by 4 because 2 get cancelled. Next to sine of a minus theta. What is the value? Minus sine theta. Minus sine theta. So here already we have a minus sign. So this minus becomes the plus sign. Now we can write 4 times cos function a plus b by 4 sine function pi minus b by 4 into sine function pi minus a by 4. But the answer is there in plus functions, and function also pi minus a cos function you have to get, here we have a sine. Pi plus b also you have to get cos function. This cos, it is a pi a plus b we can write as it is. Now you have to change these functions. So this function is there in answer cos function. So that 4 times cos of a plus b we can write as a pi minus c by 4 as it is. This cos function you have to get. So that I am going to write 90 minus function cos pi minus b by 4. So cos 90 minus becomes sine function. This also we have an answer cos. So that I am going to write this also. Cos function 90 minus pi minus a by 4. Now finally simplify this. 4, this is as it is. Now take an LCM. 4 is the LCM. 2 pi minus pi is a pi. Minus or minus is a plus sign p. Again take a common here. LCM is the value 4. 2 pi minus pi is a pi, minus of a minus is a plus sign a. So what is the answer you have to show? 4 times cos function pi plus a, cos function pi plus b cos function pi minus c. So it is the answer for the problem.